Why do I use Tresemme? Oh, sorry, Pantene. Why do I use Pantene? Because my other 9 pans are broken. Is this commercial still going? Who even is Ellie Goulding? No one cares. Pantene, believe in better.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Hello and welcome back to Explosions for Real Men. Today what we're going to be looking at is some explosions for real men. You join me in an undisclosed location which nobody knows.
Dave, got the biscuits.
Go away, Mom. No, I don't want the biscuits. Film me.
Dave.
Go away.
Dave.
Go
Dave,
away.
don't ignore me, Dave.
Anyway, if you would like to see more explosions after the clips we're going to show you today, please send all your money, like this money, to www.explosionsforrealmen.com. Now, here are some epic explosions which I have seen over the past week.
This is where my neighbour lives. This is where his dog lives. This is where his mom lives. And this is where his cow lives. This is where my RE teacher lives. This is where I go on holidays. This is where I used to live. This is my dad's house. This is my mom's house. And this is a building exploding. There's another one. And this... that's a nuclear war.
Thank you for watching Explosions for Real Men. Tune in next week when we do coffee shops and bow ties for real men. Thank you. Keep pumping those guns, real men. I'll see you very soon. Good. Bye. For now. I have to go now. It's my tea time. I'm just getting a bit awkward with this thing on my face, innit? I'll just sneak off this way.
If you've been affected by any of the issues raised in this show, please call 999 and ask for Catherine. Terms and conditions apply. For details to 0787 345 011. Thank you. Good night.